It's not an issue I'd be an expert on by any means or any stretch of the imagination. What I would have to say is that if I met a couple who had met that situation where they were told that the child had fatal abnormalities, I don't think that I would have it within my gift, whether as a legislator or anything else, to tell them that they couldn't do what they decided to do in those circumstances. So I will be supporting that motion at the Ardèche, understanding that there are people with very strong opinions on this within Sinn Féin and within wider society. But I think we need to look at these matters from a point of view of compassion first and foremost, and to try and understand the circumstances whereby in cases of where abortion becomes a debate, obviously the easiest way of addressing that is to try and ensure that you have as few unwanted pregnancies for a start. But when you're dealing with fetal abnormalities, that's not a luxury you can have. You can't put in a policy to prevent it. It's something that unfortunately happens and is visited upon some couples. So in those scenarios, as I say, I don't think I could look them in the eye and tell them, we are going to deny you the right to make your own decisions in this matter.
I mean, the legal advice to government is that that cannot be done without repealing the 8th Amendment. So would you be in favour of a referendum on that and repeal of the 8th Amendment? I
think so. In them circumstances, I think that I have come to that view. And like, I'm a politician from rural County Monaghan. Of course, you know, in these circumstances, probably the thing that would be easiest for me is if these matters were just kicked down the road. I think, again, the electorate and the Irish people have got to a point where they're not going to allow politicians that luxury anymore. They want decisions to be made on these matters, and for this matter, I suppose, to be put to bed in as much and in as consensual a way as possible.
Okay. All right.